Hello dear students. In trick 483, I gave you 4 questions for finding the odd one out. That is, every member follows a particular rule, but one of them does not follow it. So you needed to tell me which is that odd one out. I am pleased that so many of you gave responses in the comment section and many of you got all 4 correct. So that was very heartening to see. But just for the convenience of others who could not solve it, here I go with all the 4 solutions. Now the first question was 77, 168, 266, 219 and 301. Now, since the numbers vary from 77 to 301, you need to check the divisibility. And divisibility by 7 is one of the toughest thing. So, you need to check all the numbers whether they are divisible by 7 or not. See, 77 obviously is divisible by 7. 7 into 11 is 77. If you check this, 7 2s are 14 and 28, so 7 4s are 28. 7 3s are 21, so 56. 7 8s are 56. So this all three are divisible. But in this case, this is not divisible. And finally, 7 4s are 28, 21, 7 3s are 21. So 4 numbers are divisible by 7, but 219 is not divisible by 7. So 219 is the answer. This is the reason for this answer. In the second question, I gave you 5 pairs of numbers and you needed to find the odd one out. Now, whenever you have pairs of numbers, then you have to link the two numbers in the bracket. Now, see, observe carefully that 23 and 24 are co-prime. Co-prime numbers are those numbers which have HCF 1. That is, they don't have any other common factor except 1. Obviously, 1 is a factor of every number. So, 23 and 24, 23 is a prime number. So, it cannot have a factor which is common to 24. So, they are co-prime or HCF is 1. So, no common factor other than 1. So these are co-prime, correct. 8 and 9 obviously are co-prime because 8 is having all factors 2 into 2 into 2 and 9 is having factors 3 into 3. So no common factors. 16 and 17 obviously they are co-prime because 17 is prime. So one of the numbers is prime means they will be co-prime. 33 and 35, 33 is 3 into 11. So factors are 3 and 11. But in case of 35 we have 5 and 7. So 3, 11, 5, 7. All factors are different. So these two numbers are also co-prime. But in case of 18 and 21, they are divisible by a common number 3. So 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21. So they are not co-prime. So this is the odd one out 18, 21 just because they are not co-prime. So 18 and 21 not co-prime or they have a common factor other than 1. Let's have the third question now. Very simple one. Maximum people got this one right. See, all are even numbers, but if you observe carefully, 4 is 2 raised to power 2, so it can be expressed in the power of 2. 256, 2 raised to power 8. 1024, 2 raised to power 10. And 16 is 2 raised to power 4. So all numbers can be expressed in the powers of 2, but in case of 68, you cannot express it in the power of 2. So this is the odd one out in this question. 68 is the answer. Let's have the final question. 23, 34, 67, 89 and 98. Now in this case, all the numbers, just see 23, it is 22 plus 1. What about 34? It is 33 plus 1. What about 67? It is 66 plus 1. What about 89? It is 88 plus 1. So, how we are writing the numbers? These all numbers are doublets. So, we are having a doublet plus 1. This is the rule through which we are writing all the numbers. But the number 98 does not follow this rule. We can't express it as a doublet plus 1. Rather, we can express this as 99 minus 1, which is a contradictory rule as compared to the other 4. Here we are adding 1, but here we are subtracting 1. So, 98 is the odd one out in this case.